session, I'm going to discuss comparing quantities, word problems, milestone 1 from your chapter. As you know that in previous video, also I have shared some of the word problems. Continuing the same, here, now question number 21 we have. It says a number when increased by 10% becomes 88. Find the number. You have to find that number. What you will do? A number you have to find when increased by 10%, it becomes 88. So here you will assume, let the number be x when it is increased by 10%. Now what the question says, a number when increased means plus by 10% means 10% of the number, and it gives you 88. Clear? That you have to solve it. Now x plus 0 0 cancel and it will become x upon 10, that becomes 88. Now this is a rational number, you know that how to add it. 10x plus x gives 88. 11x upon 10 gives 88. Find the value of x. 88 into 10 upon 11. Cancel the number. 11 ones are 11. 11 eights are 88. So it will come 80. So x is your number, that is 80. When increased by 10%, it becomes 88. Clear? Question number 23, and it says find the number obtained when 600 is increased by 12%. Here you can see the number is already given, and when it is increased by 20%, that number you have to find out. For this solution, what you will do? Number you have, that is already given 600 and increased by 20%. So very first you have to find out 20% of number, that is already given 600. 0 0 cancelled, 0 0 cancelled. So that number you got 120, 20% of that number. And you have to find the number when it is increased. So final number what will come? The original number was, it was your original number. Fine. So original number plus increased in number. How much it is increased? 120. Original was 600, increased by 120. So the number you will get 720. Clear? Next we have question number 25, and it says a number when decreased by, in previous question it was when increased, and in this question it is given when decreased by 20%, it becomes 160. Clear? Find the number. So let the number be x. Decreased by 20% according to question. Number x, decrease means minus, decreased by 20% and it becomes 160. What the question says, the same way you have to do. 0 0 cancelled, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now x minus x upon 5 equals to 160. Clear? And after that you know the steps. 5x minus x equals to 160. You will do cross multiplication. 4x equals to 160 into 5. X equals to 160 into 5 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16 and 0 as it is. So number was 200 when it is decreased by 20%. Clear? So if I decreased this number by 20, I'll be getting 40, and if you subtract 40 from 200, you will get 160. Next we have, you can see question number 27. The price of an article is increased by 12%, and if the increase in price is rupees 60, find the original price and final price. What you will do for it? See, already increased price is given, that is rupees 60, but in this question original price is not given. So let the original price be 100 or x. So here I am going to show the question by using x. When it is increased by, so number is increased by 12% and the price is increased, that is given 60, that is already given. Fine. Now you will cancel it. 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 0 as it is, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So here you got 3x upon 25 equals to 60. 3x equals to 25 into 60, x equals to 25 into 60 upon 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So such a way you got x equals to 500. You can see that here I assumed the original price x. So original price you got, that I got 500, and it was increased by 60. Fine. So final price, that will be increased, the price will be increased, so final price will be 560. Clear? Find the number when increased by 6% becomes 1272. A number when increased by 6%. This is also the same. A number, so here directly I am going to the question without framing a statement. You know that you have to assume the number, let the number be x. So if number was x, when increased by 6%, and it becomes 1272, and after that you know that how to solve it. Very first you have to cancel it. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 0 as it is. So this way you will get 3x upon 50 equals to 1272. Now we'll take LCM. 50x plus 3x gives 1272. 58x upon 50 equals to 1272. Now x value, how you will get it? 1272 into 50 upon 58. 53. Here it will come 53. So when you divide 1272 by 53, you will get 24. So x will come 1200. Fine. So a number would be 1200 when increased by 6%. You can verify it. If you increased this number by 6%, you will get 72, and if you add 72 in that, it will become 1272. This is the verification of the question, how to verify the answer which you got. Clear? Completed our milestone 1. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.